One of the things that makes the Systemscaping program and the TouchStone Business System software so unique is that we are integrating three key pieces of your business. We're integrating your people with your positions, and with your processes. It's the integration of people, positions, and processes. All of the people in your organization will be linked to boxes on your org chart. All of the processes will be linked to boxes on the org chart. So when users log in, finding their processes is simple. They're right there for them. Understanding their role, the clarity of their responsibility, it's all right there. Everything that needs to be used to train them is all in one place, as well as all of the instructions on how to achieve the expectations that you have of them. This is how you create a business that is process dependent, a business that can give you consistency and reliability. And we do that using the TouchStone software, but we also use what we call the 5-step systemization plan. And the 5-step systemization plan has been created really from more than 20 years of working with hundreds and hundreds of businesses. And we've been able to synthesize this process down into 5 simple steps. This is not rocket science. It's very simple. But in this systemization plan, we actually walk you step by step through this plan, these 5 steps. In the first step, vision, we're going to help you create your vision. Now, a lot of people come to us, they've already got a vision, but how are they using their vision? We're going to teach you how to take your vision and we're going to teach you how to use it in strategic planning, both annually, quarterly, and sometimes even monthly. And we're also going to teach you how to use it for onboarding new employees and for managing existing employees. So the vision becomes a very critical part of the development of your company. Then we're going to create the organization chart. And typically we recommend creating the organizational chart of that future company. The organization chart is a blueprint of that future company in terms of its positions. And there are 2 types of working relationships in an organization. They're management relationships and they're working relationships. We're going to teach you the difference and we're going to teach you how to create a really great org chart that actually works in your business to become a dynamic tool that you're going to use to strategically grow your business, to determine who I want to hire next and what is it that I expect them to do and how are they actually going to achieve it. All of this is part of your org chart. It's not just a pretty picture that gets filed away in a drawer somewhere. It's this dynamically interactive tool that's going to help you strategically grow your business. Then we're going to focus on identifying your processes. And we take your business and we organize it into 4 key functions. You have processes for sales and marketing, what we might call getting the business. You have processes for client fulfillment, for customer service, what we might call doing the business. All of the processes that you do for your clients in the promise or performance of the promise that you made in the selling process. Then you have processes for guiding the business, for strategy and management. How do you guide the business from where you are today to where do you want to get to? And then you have all the support processes that support those other 3 areas, processes for admin, HR, IT, finance. And we will link your account to multiple libraries to help you develop these processes, to help you download existing pre-written processes, and we'll show you the process tools that we have to actually write processes. But in this step, you are not actually writing processes. What we're doing is we're trying to understand the landscape of your future business in terms of all of its processes. Think of it as creating a table of contents of all of the processes for a complete operating manual of your future business, where the org chart is a blueprint of your business in terms of its future positions. The process identification step is a blueprint of all of the processes for your future business. In the 4th step, we're going to link processes that we've identified to 1 or more boxes on the org chart. And then we're going to take all of your employees and we're going to put them in the system. We're going to link them to boxes on the org chart. When we link people and processes to boxes, we automatically create position-specific operating manuals for every box on your org chart, for every position in your company. We basically create what we call complete functional accountability, absolute clarity of roles. Everything that has to happen in your business has been assigned to a position that is being filled by 1 or more employees in your company. These first 4 steps really create the foundation for your process-dependent business. We've built the plan, and now we execute. Execution is first prioritizing what are the most important processes that need to get written right now. We teach you how to prioritize the writing processes. And please hear me when I say this. I'm not talking about the most important processes in your business. I'm talking about the ones that need to be written as soon as possible. You might need to hire a receptionist, and the processes that a receptionist follow, they're not the most important processes in the business, but they are highly prioritized to get written because you're about to hire someone for this position. You might as well get them started by training them on documented processes. So we teach you how to prioritize the writing of processes. We teach you how to actually write processes. And we teach you how to train people and monitor to make sure that they're following the processes. And then it's just a series of prioritize, write, train, repeat. Prioritize, write, train, repeat. These first 4 steps, very structural. They're going to happen in somewhere between 6 and 10 weeks. This final step, prioritize, write, train, repeat, that's an ongoing process that's going to happen for the life of your business. Your business is always going to be creating processes, because once you get all of your processes written, you're going to start innovating those processes. You're going to start changing them and orchestrating the changes and then quantifying them again. You're going to start looking at the efficiencies of all of your processes, and then you'll change those processes and retrain them or orchestrate them and quantify them again. This is just a cyclical thing. So this is the process development cycle. This is the process systemization plan, and TouchStone is the process implementation tool. Hope that's helpful.